The Apple TV has often been one of Apple's quieter products, overshadowed by the annual buzz surrounding the iPhone, the hype of the MacBook Pro, and the innovation cycle of the iPad. Yet, despite its more subtle presence, it serves as a powerful backbone in Apple's ecosystem, especially for users who want a seamless connection between their television, their iOS devices, their smart home, and even their fitness routines. As we step into 2025, anticipation is mounting because multiple credible leaks and industry whispers suggest that Apple is preparing to launch the next generation Apple TV, a product that has been overdue for a refresh. To truly understand why this matters, we need to look at the current state of the Apple TV. Right now, the Apple TV 4K is powered by the A15 Bionic chip, which, while respectable when it launched, has become outdated. It's the oldest processor still actively being sold in any Apple device today, which feels out of place considering Apple's constant push for cutting-edge performance. Even budget-level devices like the entry iPad have moved on to the A16 chip, and the flagship iPhones are pushing the boundaries with the A17 Pro and soon the A18 generation. That leaves the Apple TV lagging behind. For a device meant to anchor your living room setup, handle 4K HDR video streaming, process Dolby Atmos audio, and even support gaming through Apple Arcade, an outdated chip simply doesn't inspire confidence. This is why rumors of a next-gen Apple TV arriving with the A17 Pro or even the newer A18 chip are creating so much excitement. The A17 Pro, which debuted in the iPhone 15 Pro, was specifically designed not just for efficiency, but for raw performance in gaming and heavy workloads. It enabled console-level 808 gaming experiences on mobile for the first time, something almost no one thought possible just a few years ago. Titles like Resident Evil Village and Assassin's Creed Mirage were suddenly running on a smartphone with visuals close to what you'd expect on a PlayStation or Xbox. Now imagine what that kind of chip could do inside a device like the Apple TV, which isn't constrained by the same size or thermal limitations as a smartphone. The prospect of Apple TV becoming a legitimate competitor to traditional gaming consoles becomes much more real in 2025. Apple has been quietly preparing for this shift too. Its Metal 4 graphics API is one of the most optimized pipelines for developers, and Apple Arcade continues to expand its library with family-friendly, indie, and even big-budget experiences. If Apple decides to leverage the A17 Pro's GPU or potentially the A18's next-level architecture, the Apple TV 2025 could handle not only casual titles, but also full-scale console-grade experiences right from your living room. Pair that with potential support for external controllers like the PlayStation DualSense or Xbox controllers, which Apple already supports via iOS, and suddenly the Apple TV becomes an affordable, powerful, and versatile gaming hub that could appeal to a completely new audience. And this is only one side of the story. Beyond raw gaming power, the next Apple TV is also likely to benefit from improved networking capabilities. The A17 Pro supports Wi-Fi 6E, which offers faster bandwidth, lower latency, and more reliable streaming, perfect for high-resolution content like 4K HDR movies, and especially for cloud gaming services that demand a strong, stable connection. While Wi-Fi 7 might be exclusive to devices with the A18 chip, even Wi-Fi 6E is a major step up from what current Apple TVs offer. Ethernet is also expected to remain an option, ensuring that hardcore gamers and home theater enthusiasts can get the absolute best speeds without worrying about wireless fluctuations. HDMI upgrades are also on the table. While leaks haven't confirmed this, there is speculation that Apple could integrate HDMI 2.1, enabling features like variable refresh rate, VRR, auto low latency mode, ALLM, and higher frame rate support, all features gamers and cinephiles would love to see. These additions could make the Apple TV a stronger contender in the home theater market, aligning it with premium televisions and sound systems. Design changes may also be coming. Apple has long been criticized for keeping the Apple TV's look too basic, with a glossy plastic exterior that feels almost cheap compared to the brushed aluminum finishes of the Mac, iPad, and even the Apple Watch. In 2025, it feels almost certain that Apple will rethink this design, perhaps transitioning the Apple TV to a recycled aluminum casing, or at least adopting Apple's new eco-friendly recycled plastics. This would not only match Apple's broader environmental commitments. Remember, Apple is aiming to make its entire lineup carbon neutral by 2030. but would also give the Apple TV a more premium look and feel to match its price tag. Speaking of pricing, this is one of the biggest points of speculation. The current Apple TV 4K is priced between $129 and $149, depending on whether you choose the Ethernet model. Many analysts believe that if Apple equips the next model with the A17 Pro, the price could stay in that same range because the chip will be 2 years old by launch. However, if Apple decides to surprise us with the A18 or even the A18 Pro, a slight price increase could happen, pushing the entry-level model closer to $179 or $199. While this may sound steep compared to Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, or Google Chromecast, Apple has always positioned the Apple TV as a premium product. It's not just about watching shows, it's about integration with the Apple ecosystem. The Apple TV works seamlessly with AirPods, iPhones, iPads, HomePods, and HomeKit accessories. It can act as a hub for smart homes, a center for Apple Fitness Plus workouts, and of course the best way to enjoy Apple TV Plus content in 4K HDR with Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. This deep ecosystem lock-in is what keeps Apple TV relevant despite its higher cost, and the 2025 update could push it into new territory by making it more powerful and versatile than ever before. In terms of release timing, expectations are centered around Apple's September 2025 keynote, where the iPhone 17, Apple Watch Series 11, and AirPods Pro 3 are also expected to debut. If the Apple TV isn't announced then, the next likely window would be October or early November, when Apple often unveils iPad and Mac products. In that case, the Apple TV could quietly appear via a press release on Apple's website, but with all the leaks piling up, the odds of seeing it on stage in September are high. That makes sense too, since gaming and entertainment are strong themes Apple could use to hype its fall lineup. To wrap it all together, the Apple TV 2025 isn't just another streaming box update. It represents a bigger shift in Apple's vision for the living room. With a faster chip like the A17 Pro or A18, Wi-Fi 6E connectivity, potential HDMI upgrades, and maybe even a more eco-friendly aluminum design, this refresh positions the Apple TV as more than a passive device for watching Netflix or Apple TV Plus. It could evolve into a gaming console competitor, a smart home hub, a fitness companion, and the centerpiece of Apple's entertainment strategy. If priced right and marketed with Apple Arcade and Apple TV Plus as anchors, it could reinvigorate the Apple TV brand, attract gamers, win over home theater enthusiasts, and cement Apple's presence in living rooms worldwide.